The percentage of energy released during lactic acid and alcohol fermentation in comparison with aerobic respiration of one glucose molecule is. Here, aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration both are different. Aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen, whereas anaerobic respiration that takes place in absence of oxygen. Let us see what is the main difference in between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration equation goes like C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives rise to 6CO2 plus 6H2O, and about 38 ATP molecules are formed. This is in case of aerobic respiration of glucose molecule. If you see anaerobic respiration of the same glucose molecule C6H12O6, that gives rise to, in the absence of oxygen, 2CO2 plus 2C2H5OH, that is ethyl alcohol, plus just 2 ATP molecules are formed. This is anaerobic respiration. So, we are surprised to know that the presence or absence of oxygen makes that much difference. In the presence of oxygen, 38 ATP molecules are formed from same glucose molecule. In the absence of oxygen, just 2 ATP molecules are formed from same glucose molecule. So, organisms try to perform aerobic respiration instead of anaerobic respiration as they try to yield more amount of energy from the same glucose molecule. If you see here, compare that 2 ATP molecules with 38 ATP molecules. That is, if 38 ATP molecules, if we take it as equal to 100 percentage, then 2 ATP is equal to how much percentage? That is 2 by 38 into 100. So 2 by 38 is equal to 0.0526 into 100 is equal to 5.26 percentage. This is the amount of what we call energy liberated during anaerobic respiration. This is energy of anaerobic respiration. So, if you take that 38 ATP molecules as 100 percentage and anaerobic respiration is just 5.26 percentage. The question here is that the percentage of energy released during lactic acid and alcohol fermentation in comparison with aerobic respiration of one glucose molecule is, that is, less than 7 percentage, that is option 1.